guys, welcome to the next video, and today I'll be telling you that I am now accepting any art from anyone, such as fan art by Courage, beautiful art, random art, and just random art. So yeah, if you like it, you can just send it to me, or just tell me down in the comments if you want to trade. And yeah, I'll be there. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. See ya! Oh yeah, I forgot. Did I mention that I now do pet commission? So, like I said with the masterpiece, just tell me which animal you want, and I'll make it. What color, what style, make kawaii or anything like that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my very next video. Stay possum!